excited to finally be reviewing this product for you. Is the new Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette. Now, you know she does have the nude eyeshadow palette, which I don't personally have, but I did review kind of like a dupe that they sell on Amazon, which is beautiful. Did come out with 3 of the Nude Obsessions palette. This one today that I will be showing you is the Nude Light. She does have a Nude Medium and a Nude Rich. When I saw them online, I was like, okay, they're nice, but it's not like, oh my god, I need them now. But the thing is, when you receive them in person, or when you see like other people's videos and you can really see what they look like, they look so different. I don't know if it's just me, but they look much more beautiful in person. I'll be swatching this palette today, creating a look. This does retail for $29. I'm really intrigued to also try out the Nude Rich. It looks very nice. I saw it in someone's video, and that's why I was like, oh, okay, because looking at it online, I'm not like crazy about it. Only the colors inside are gorgeous, but the packaging, she did an amazing job. And I also have reviewed and did a look with the Nude Obsessions, the Emerald palette, the one that has like green tones. Oh, such a beautiful, beautiful palette. I'll leave that at the end of this video just in case you want to check it out. Let's jump right into the video. And by the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you how gorgeous this is. Oh my god. Look at these shades. I mean, you cannot see them on like the website like this, how you can see it right now. They're just so gorgeous. I love these. I love the nudes. I love that you have like a all over the lid shade, transition shades, and then these sparkly, oh, they're just perfect for like a super glam for the holidays. If you don't want to use this for like an everyday, obviously most of us, I guess we don't, but these are great for an everyday. And whenever you want to glam it up, these go ahead and start with the swatches. I'm gonna start way here with the first row. Alright, so this is the swatches for the first row. Never go by the swatches. I have to see always how it applies on the eyes. It's completely different. You can't judge them by swatches. Moving on to the second row here. Alright, so I tried to do them a little separate. So this is the third row here. This one, oh my god. The third row, which is this. So there is your third row. I will show you up close better. Before we start, I am gonna prime the eyes. I think she did come out with like a shadow primer. I have to try that out, but I'm obsessed with this one from Anastasia. So I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna do something really quick. After I'm done with the look, I'll come back and tell you my thoughts, how everything worked in the eyes. Alright, so let's get into the tutorial. So I finally finished the look, guys. 100% recommend this palette. Obviously, if you like the shades here, they're so beautiful. I told you guys that I was like obsessed with the swatch of this one, so I had to use it. It's the one that I put here. As you see, you have matte shades too. They all blended out easy. Nothing looks patchy. Everything was super easy to blend. I love the lashes that I paired up with this look. First time using them, and I love how dramatic they look. Cover like the eye look a little, so that's why in the clips I was like just trying to close my eyes so you can see well. They're so pretty, and of course with these shades I always love to apply them with my finger. I did use some concealer. I didn't like really cut the crease a lot, but I just wanted this color to really pop. Love doing that. You like shades like this, definitely you have to check out the video that I did reviewing Roma's palette, which you can get it on Amazon. I've only bought her Obsessions palettes because they're more affordable, but she does have really beautiful palettes like the full size. Just want to try her formula. These are amazing. Let me know if you would like me to review the other ones. Like the Rich one looks amazing. I think this looks glam. It's so light, like you can still pull it off. Obviously you don't have to wear the lashes. I just paired it like with this Buxom in White Russian. This look could go with like everything. Tried to try different colors, as many as I could, so you can see how they work. I think I will create another look because I'm just so obsessed. Let me give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do that. Love to like carry this around with me. It just looks nice and classy and just beautiful. Are like $2 more than the regular Obsessions. I believe they're $27, but these are $29. Yes, they know that these are more wearable and a lot more people were going to buy them. We'll be also reviewing her eyeliner. Is not the one I used today because I want to do a different video, because it's like a dual eyeliner. It's double-sided. You have the liquid and also for like the waterline. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.